Hello and namaste. Here's Sweta offering her warm welcome to all her viewers. Bhai Tika ko din, as you all know, rush huncha. So busy bhakole garda and baby alik cranky bhakole garda, we couldn't take much pictures and videos at home that day. As our dear sisters had to finish a similar task at Kalimpong and come do the needful here. And right after that travel to Rinok, put Tika over there and rush to Aritar to crash for the night. See, it was indeed a long day. र यसपालिको भाइ टिका हामीले कसरी मनायौं त तपाईहरुले देखि नै रहनु भएको छ. And hope you all also had a memorable one to cherish in your hearts forever. मेरो आफ्नो दाजु त छैन, but I used to observe it heartily by celebrating it with my cousin. But after getting married also, it's an equally delightful experience as the event itself is such. भाइ दूज, भाउबीज, भाइ फोटा अनि हाम्रो नेपालीमा भन्नुपर्दा भाइ टिका. शुक्ल पक्ष or the bright fortnight दिवाली वा तिहारको बेलामा मनाइन्छ. It's similar to that of Raksha Bandhan, जसमा दाजुभाइहरूले आफ्नो दिदी बहिनीहरूलाई गिफ्ट दिने अनि आशीर्वाद लिने चलन रहेको छ. यस दिन दिदी बहिनीहरूले दाजुभाइहरूको निधारमा सप्तरङ्गी टीका लगाइदिन्छ अनि यो 7 रङहरू सूर्य और सनको प्रतीक हो. When a sister wishes her brothers good deeds to be far-reaching like the rays of the sun, उनीहरूको आयु लामो अनि जीवन सधैँ सुखी र समृद्ध होस् भनी कामना गर्छन्. टीका लगाइदिसकेपछि दिदी बहिनीहरूले आफ्नो दाजुभाइलाई सयपत्री or marigold अनि मखमली or globe amaranth को माला पनि लगाइदिन्छन्. अनि सेलरोटी, मिठाई, खीर, दूध, फलफूल अनि मिठो मिठो खानापिना पनि खिलाउँछन्. The occasion commemorates a legendary event in which Yamraj or the deity of death would not take her brother until the mustard oil around her brother would dry up, the tika on the forehead would fade, and the garland wither.
Cutie! I'm so sorry this is Morgan. Excellent! Wow! देखो तो यार डांस देखो ना चिटो ना. Seriously, जाओ मैंने 100 रुपए seriously ले कोशिश से पार्टनर खुद से नाथ में. Oh boy, cuál? Coño. Digo populete. गुडिया त अभी गुडिया त हो. हजुर तपाईको स्पेशल डिश चाहिँ के छ आज? हजुरको चाहिँ सुरु भएको के छ आजको? आलुको अचार, फिस त्यहाँ छ. चिली चिकन होला यो चाहिँ. बाहिर चाहिँ रोस्ट हुँदैछ है. अब कसरी थाहा तँलाई? तपाईँलाई के भन्नु छ?
एकदम जाडो छ. मैले
आज भएको नभएको जाडो तपाईँलाई लागिरहेछ है? पेदोङदेखि नै टोपी नछोड्नु भएको. बुढी बोजू अर्को बुढी बोजू त्यहाँ छ फेरि सिरियल हेर्ने.
बुढी बोजू म चाहिँ एकदम मोडर्न हो. म चाहिँ सिरियल हेर्छु. यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले मतलबले यो रुममा राखेको हो.
डरले
होइन, यसको वाइफाई अलिकति पाल्नु छ. यसको चाहिँ वाइफाईको लागि मात्रै यसलाई हामीले यो रुम अलिकति एडजस्ट गरेको
हजुरलाई के भन्नुहुन्छ अब हेर भगवान्
हजुर एकदम सिरियस
बोजू
हजुर
ओ बोजू भगवान् सिरियल हेर्नु न आमा जस्तो लाग्यो म त आमाको कमेन्ट
म त यसमा फिस हुन्छ नि सेम दिस
Abba, coming to what the title suggests. When in Aritar. हामी भाइटिकाको दिन आरिटार गयौँ र त्यो दिन त्यहीँनिर बस्यौँ हाम्रो माइला काकाको होमस्टेमा. And the name of this cozy abode is Brothers Homestay, which is run by my two very able brother-in-laws, Nirnay and Ashish. So now, as y'all can see, I'm giving y'all a quick tour of the place, starting from the entry. At the second floor, which has the reception and 4 capacious rooms, well equipped with all the amenities that a comfortable space to stay in requires. Having Jaguar fittings in all its washrooms to quality furnishings and upholstery, and a spacious balcony for each of the rooms. It has a floor beneath, having a lounge, a dining space, a kitchen, a room to avail for the guests, the owner's rooms, a table tennis table, a game you can always indulge in when at leisure, a fireplace outside where you can sit, chill and enjoy and feel warm and cozy in the chilly weather predominating this side of a beautiful Sikkim. The ground floor consists of one more similar room and one dormitory. On your property chai Aritarko center of attraction, the famous Lampokri. But is only a 2 minutes walk. Ani यो जग्गाको ग्रीनरी र serenity त तपाईहरुले देखि नै हाल्नु भएको छ. This venture was started just a few months before the unfortunate pandemic hit us real hard. र अब चाहिँ it's getting back on track like most things are lately. र तपाईहरु पनि यहाँ घुम्नु आउनु भयो भने do give it a try. I promise you'll have a lovely stay here. म तपाईहरुलाई यो जग्गाको बारेमा एउटा Google review पढेर सुनाउँदै छु, which truly describes the place in detail, which is written by Mr. Saurabh Shirke. This place is peaceful and serene. The rooms are spacious and clean, has all the modern amenities to keep you cozy and comfortable. We were about to stay for just one night, but landed up staying for 2 nights. One can view the entire Kanchenjunga range from the rooftop of this property. This property is run by 2 brothers who are extremely hospitable and well educated about their profession and surroundings. The food they serve is super delicious and homely, and half of the veggies come from their own organic farms. So, the bottom line is, anyone coming here will have a great time and would want to come back again. Cheers! Moving on to Aritar Lake, locally called Lampokri, which is a boot-shaped lake at Aritar, जुन चाहिँ सिक्किमको eastern region मा पर्छ. It is endowed with a breathtaking surrounding, having lush green alpine trees and an emerald green hued lake, which is the oldest freshwater lake nestled in between, having an elevation of 4,600 feet, which is 1,120 feet long and 240 feet wide. And March to May is the best time to visit the place, as the weather turns extremely pleasant. There is a pathway along the sides of the lake for the tourists to enjoy the view of the mesmerizing and sacred lake from different angles. And it has a boating facility 200 per head. The place is truly captivating and worth the visit. There is a shrine dedicated to Guru Padmasambhava at the right side of the holy lake. One can also take a hike uphill, which has its own beauty. One can enjoy hot momos and Maggie at the small stalls near the entryway. Not more than 4 hours of driving distance from the capital town of Gangtok, Aritar is truly a less trodden holiday destination you should definitely explore, having many other interesting places to visit nearby. And last but not the least, I'm